On the way to our project, we saw this old buffet on the side of the road that somebody had discarded, and we thought, what a fantastic piece of old furniture to upcycle, and we can use it in our renovating of the sitting room. We're going to paint this up, but first there's some preparation to do. One of the crucial keys to preparation is sanding. Why do we sand? Most pieces of furniture like this have got a shiny coating on. If you just paint over that, it's going to scratch off. You're going to go to the effort to paint it. Sand it first, it makes your paint stick. So now we're undercoating. And why are we doing that? We want a nice crisp white top coat, so the undercoat certainly helps that. But for me, on these old units that have this varnish and stain look, I like to use a special undercoat. You can get them, they're water-based and easy to use, but what the special undercoats do is two things. They have special adhesive quality, so your top coats are going to stick better. And secondly, they have what's called stain block technology. So all this dark stain is not going to bleed through, and your white unit is going to look sensational. So I'm applying the last of our two top coats with our water-based enamel. The undercoat has certainly done the job. There's no staining coming through. The white looks fantastic. And the water-based enamel is not only looking great, but it's given durability and maximum protection. I'm really happy with the way the buffet's come up. And remember, this was found on the side of the road, discarded, unloved, nobody wanted it. I've shown how easy it is to upcycle this. It was a couple of coats of paint, and now, you know what it proves? One man's trash is another man's treasure.